Hi everyone, I'm going to be going over this lesson on water scarcity in the Middle East. You should have done the do now by now, and I'll be explaining what the assignment is today. So our compelling question, just as a reminder, is how can the Middle East ensure water security without harming the environment or the well-being of its people? And the supporting question that we'll be answering today is how has water scarcity led to conflict in the Middle East? So when we say conflict, we're talking about disagreement. It could be between individuals, groups of people, countries. How has water scarcity led to that disagreement in the Middle East? And we're going to look at the Elisu Dam today. So the Elisu Dam is in Turkey. And if you look at the left side of my screen, we have a map of the Middle East with a red square around Turkey. The map on the right is zooming in on Turkey and showing us where this dam is. So the dam is located in southeastern Turkey. If you look at this map on the right side of my screen, we can see the Tigris River, the Euphrates River that flow into Turkey from Syria and Iraq. And we see kind of by this arc shape over the Tigris River where the Elisu Dam is, okay? So the Elisu Dam is a dam on the Tigris River in southeast Turkey. It is located near the village of Elisu, and its purpose is hydroelectric production, flood control, and water storage. So one of the purposes of this dam is to produce electricity. Hydroelectric power is an alternative to using fossil fuels for electricity that is gaining popularity in countries with rivers with very strong currents, such as this one. So my friends, what we're going to start off by doing is watching this video. This is going to kind of introduce you to this dam, show you where it was built. Some people are going to explain why it was built in more detail. And they're also going to talk about some of the positive and negative effects this dam has had on Turkey and the surrounding area. So as you're watching this, you want to record what are positive and negative impacts of the Elisu Dam in a T-chart, such as this one. This can be bullet points. Just take notes on the positive and negative impacts of this dam as you are watching the video. This is going to introduce you to what we'll talk about today. Now, your main task is to read an article about this dam, make annotations as you read, and then you have a note catcher with several questions. So those are attached to the assignment on Google Classroom. I will show you what they look like now. So the article looks like this. It is called Turkish Dams article, and the title of the article is New Dam in Turkey Threatens to Flood Ancient City. But before we even look at that, let's back up and look at what's at the top of the screen. It says, as you close read this article, please make annotations. So highlight the most important pieces of information in one color, but keep in mind, you don't want to highlight entire paragraphs. You should probably have 4 to 5 pieces of highlighted information tops if you're truly highlighting the most important information. And you have to read the article to figure out which pieces of information those are. I also want you to ask at least 2 questions about the article by making comments. So if there's something you do not understand, if there's something you want to learn more about or have any question about, what you'll do is highlight what you have a question about. Let's say I have a question about this. And this button right here, it's like a speech bubble with a plus sign, is actually a comment button. If you press that, it'll let you type your question in this little bubble to the right. And you want to click comment once you're done so that it saves. So you need to at least ask 2 of those questions and comments. Read the entire article very carefully. It's about a page and a half or so. And then you have these note catchers with 3 questions. And these questions we should be seeing complete sentences for in the responses. So the first one is, how do the actions of humans impact the environment? Give 1 example from the text. So we're looking for text evidence in that first question. Why is water a valuable resource in the Middle East? And what are 2 potential solutions that the people of the Middle East could use to improve their water situation? So this is definitely a challenging question, number 3, but I'd like you to brainstorm ideas, give what you think would work. And if you have questions about this assignment, definitely reach out to your social studies teacher. Good luck.